Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is debating on if she wants to come up here. Yeah, they heard you, right? You heard her meow. Come on. Come on. Come on. I wish she'll come up if she wants to. Y'all, today I have a ColourPop order. Y'all, I was not gonna do a ColourPop order this time. I had been looking at those Hocus Pocus palettes, the big mood palettes, things like that. And my friend Leslie, that I did meet through this channel, was like, come on, let's go and buy some stuff. Well, she bought some stuff and I bought some stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I bought from ColourPop. So I do have this. I had it actually in black and brown. I decided to put the black in a giveaway. So I bought myself another one because I'm liking the brown so much. This is the Act Natural Define Mascara from ColourPop. Like I said, this one is in black. I had to get a black one to go with my brown one. But yeah, I've been really liking that brown one. So I'm gonna try the black one. So this I paid $9 for. I'm excited to try that out. Today I've actually got on Rare Beauty mascara. I got a sample of it from Sephora, so I was excited to try that, and I kind of like it actually. So the other two things I got in my little haul here, look at how well they wrapped this up. How much paper? I mean, I'll keep it for giveaways. It will get reused. So I was looking, I started to say this a second ago, I was looking at the Hocus Pocus palette and I was doing a little research on it, and a lot of people said that the new Hocus Pocus palette that they came out with this year was pretty much a dupe, with the colors were a lot in the big mood palette. So I bought this one instead. This was last year's Hocus Pocus palette, Gather Around Sisters, and it had more colors in it, and I just wanted to try it out. Look at the packaging. Y'all, love the packaging. So cute. I paid $22 for this. Now Leslie said that this palette was selling for like $55 on, you know, people were reselling it. So I feel like I got a deal. Look, there's the Sanderson sisters. I thought about dressing up as a Sanderson sister. And I believe it was on ColourPop. They had like a little quiz to tell you which Sanderson sister you were. Can y'all guess which one it told me I was? So I was Sarah. Am I a flirt? So here's the colors. Look how gorgeous they are. I just thought this was right up my alley. It's got a lot of neutrals with some shimmers, a little bit of the purple, some greens. I thought this would be perfect for me. I'm gonna have so much fun playing with it. You know, the ColourPop colors really, they're actually a really good blendable eyeshadow. So I've really been enjoying these. I'll see what I can do about swatching them a little later and maybe adding a picture in of that so you can see the actual colors. Just not gonna do it right now because I got a lot to do. Like I said, I paid $22 for that. And this is the last thing I got. Now this, I believe, was from this year's Hocus Pocus collection. This is the Forever Bewitching Super Shocking Shadow. And I paid $7 for this. And look how cute it is. Just adorables. Love their packaging. So let's pop this one open. Because, you know, it was something shiny and purple. I had to get it, right? There was just no not getting it. Look at that. That's so cute. So it says, I smell children. Forever Bewitching. And look at it. Ooh. The light is not doing it justice. So I've got to stick my finger in it, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's like, ooh, creamy, ooh. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna, oh, look at that, y'all. That's beautiful. I'm gonna really enjoy this. It was, oh, so creamy soft. I like these super shocking shadows. She told me I would. Leslie told me I would. And yeah, that's nice. I hope that is sparkling for y'all like it is for me here, because that is just absolutely beautiful. So that is what I got from ColourPop. I'm so excited, and I really want to get some more of these shadows. That's just lovely. And like I said, I'll try to swatch that other palette for you as well. I've got one of them new little toys, you know, where you stick the sticker on your arm and then you swatch them and make it all beautiful. So I think I'm going to use that for it. All right, y'all. Please don't forget to go down below, comment on everything, tell me what you think. Tell me what your favorite ColourPop item is, palette, all that good stuff. I want to hear it. I love reading y'all's comments. You just have no idea. A lot of times I don't know what to say back because I'm still a little social awkward. It's a totally different trying to figure out what to say to people as opposed to just talking to myself on my camera. So if I just say thank you or just put a heart or whatever, don't take it as I'm mad at you or I don't want to talk to you. It's just that I don't know exactly what to say. I'm trying my best, y'all. I really am. And I'm getting better. Believe it or not, I'm getting better. This channel, all of y'all are helping me to become a better person. So thank you so very much. I would love it if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and press the notification bell. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.